Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today I'm gonna give you a treat of mine. This is one of the things that I get asked the most. Excuse the hair for a second. Every time I do this to my hair, someone somewhere always asks me, how did I get it done? And did I do it? Or is it a braid? Is it not a braid? And that it's so cute, they wish they could do it. So I am going to show you how to do braids to your hair without it being a braid. I mean, it kind of turns into a braid eventually, but it doesn't start off that way. And that's how I managed to be able to do it myself. All right, so, hold on. You're gonna need some elastic bands, tiny ones if you can get them. I kind of stole my son's braces bands. I know that's kind of wrong, but they work the best and they don't pull your hair out nearly as much as the typical regular rubber band. I thought I had one right there, but I don't. You're gonna need a comb, preferably with the tail to be able to part. If you don't have one with the end like this, it's okay. But, and then you possibly might need a bobby pin. Maybe not, maybe so, but keep some on hand just in case. Okay, my hair's out the bun. This works best on second day hair, or if you just got out the shower and your hair's kind of wet. I think it works best both of those ways. The reason why I think it works best with second day hair is because your hair is a little bit oily and it's not so dry, so it's more slick. Okay, let me put it to you that way. So you're going to take your comb and just kind of part it. I mean, it doesn't have to be so straight of a part, but you kind of want to get it as much as you possibly can. So what I like to do after I part my hair is I like to kind of put a clip on. Once you have all of your hair, make sure that there's no knots or anything in it. Once you have it all to one side, make sure you're free of knots. And you're going to grab, try and do this with me if you can, and watch closely. Grab, like pinch right here, like that much. Okay, once you have that, you're going to hold that up with one hand, then grab this, grab it with the other finger. Okay, once you pull it with that other finger that you grabbed it with, you're going to bring the other, like just maneuver your hand to where you're twisting it. Then you're going to grab another section, bring it with that piece that you just dropped. Then with your pinky, grab the next section, twist, just like that. Grab the next section, grab, twist, grab, twist, grab, twist, grab, twist. Then here comes the braid part. You can grab here and twist one more time if you have to, but the next, so now here comes the last part. You're gonna grab this with the other hand. You have these two sections, right? You're going to take and now start braiding. So if you can braid a ponytail, now you can braid the rest of this. And I just braid the rest of what I have in my hands. Once you have it like this, okay, so now we gotta fix the other side because you're not gonna go walking around looking like this. All right, so now you're gonna take this side And you're gonna do the same exact thing. The second side, and I'm just gonna do it how I normally do it in regular pace and just try and follow along because the timer is going off. Okay, so grab your section. You're just grabbing the next section over and dropping the last section down. All right. So this would be such a cute hairstyle if you're going running, working out, or just a casual day. And all right, we're on to the end. Okay, you see how it's like sticking out? It's okay. All right, so this is where I would put my bobby pins in this drooping piece. Okay, I've added my 2 bobby pins in here, and I'm gonna get closer so you can see. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.